Let's explore, what is the difference between full body workout and split routines? Full body workouts involve exercising all major muscle groups in a single session, typically 2 to 3 times per week.
Split routines focus on specific muscle groups or body parts in each session, usually spread over multiple days.
Full body workouts provide balanced muscle engagement each session.
Split routines target specific areas more intensely.
Full body workouts are beneficial for beginners, promoting overall muscle development and efficient use of time.
Split routines allow for more focused and intense training on particular muscles, suitable for intermediate to advanced lifters.
The key benefit of full body workouts is improved recovery times due to less frequent muscle-specific strain.
Split routines can lead to better muscle hypertrophy due to the higher volume of work on individual muscle groups.
One issue with full body workouts is the potential for fatigue, which may affect performance as the session progresses.
Split routines require more gym visits per week, which might not be ideal for those with busy schedules. Let's recap the differences between full body workout and split routines. Full body workouts are 2 to 3 times per week. Split routines require more frequent sessions.
Full body workouts engage all muscles. Split routines target specific muscles intensely.
Full body workouts suit beginners. Split routines are better for advanced lifters.
Full body workouts save time. Split routines need more days in the gym.
Now you know the difference between full body workout and split routines. Which one do you choose?
Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to Fitness Quadrum channel for more muscle building tips.